Hey guys, IrwinTech here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get unblocked games on a school Chromebook, so if you enjoy, just note that this may not work on all school Chromebooks. So before we start this video, make sure to smash the subscribe button with notifications on. That would really help me out and support the channel. If you want to go even further and support my channel, you can buy my membership starting at $5 a month. Also, I'd like to say thank you for 6,000 subscribers. And my cousin is currently visiting for the weekend, so I want to give a shout out to him. So he's going to come right now. He wanted to be in the video, so shout out to him. Say hi to 6,000 people. So hi. So yeah, that's basically this little shout out for him. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, so before we start this tutorial, you will need to go to this website, which is linked in the description below. After that, there are a ton of games to play for you guys to choose from. But you're probably going to be like, wait, this is his personal Chromebook. It's not his school Chromebook. This won't work. Well, I'm going to prove you wrong. I actually have a school Chromebook, and I've gone to this website on the school Chromebook, and it does actually work. There's Mortal Kombat, Super Mario Bros, T-Rex game, Candy Crush, Crossy Road, and much more to look at on this website to play during school if you want to. So I hope you enjoy. There's one more website I want to show you, which is coolmathgames.com. You want to go ahead and go to the search bar and type .io, and then you want to go to powerline.io. It's basically slither.io, but for cool math games. Wait for the timer to go down or watch an ad to play the game, and then you can go ahead and play this game for free on your Chromebook. There's also more games. Go to the search bar and type Run 3, and then you can go ahead and play these games where you're jumping on obstacles. Those are super fun too. I love playing these games, and these are all the games that you can play on your Chromebook that are unblocked. So if you enjoy. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so never miss an upload. Also subscribe for a shout out. Comment W subscribe to get a shout out in my next video. Here are the shouts for this video on the screen right now. Go subscribe to them. If you subscribe to me, one of these shouts for you guys. Enjoy the unblocked games on your Chromebook, and it's IrwinTech signing out. Got the mojo deals, we been tripping like the 80s. Pulling out the coupe at the lot.